Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shagun and welcome to the most requested video ever. So I've gotten like a lot of requests on Instagram as well as on YouTube asking how much do I earn and how do I earn so much. So let me tell you that this video is not for the purpose of showing off at all. This video is purely for the purpose of me trying to help you because a lot of my followers and a lot of my subscribers, they are from college going background, and they want to like earn thoda sa from their side hustles. They want to like earn on their own, they want to start earning, they want to start content creation. So yeah, I just want to help you all guys. And since there were like more than 100 DMs and comments asking how much do you earn and how do you earn so much, so yeah, and I'm not even exaggerating when I'm saying more than 1,000 DMs, like literally. So yeah, let's get into the video. So, just for a quick background, let me just tell you that I don't come from money. Like, I have not seen this much money in my entire life. So, my mom is a school teacher. She's like a primary school teacher. She earns around 8 to 9K per month, and that's it. Like, all of my college and all of my rent and everything that has been taken care by my uncle. So, yeah, so that is where I come from. That is my family background. So, like, when I was in my college ka first year, I was just exploring like what all can I do, how can I earn money. So I did not know that there are so many opportunities out here. Like when I was in Pithoragarh, मुझे नहीं लगता था कि I will ever be able to earn because मुझे opportunities के बारे में पता ही नहीं था. मुझे सिर्फ ये लगता था कि either I have to do a government job or a private job. So that's it. That was all. And Delhi आने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि वो दो जो जो चीज़ें हैं, दे आर ऑन द सरफेस लेवल, एंड उसके above and beyond there are so many things जिनसे तुम पैसा कमा सकते हो. सो आई वाज लाइक डैम दैट्स क्रेजी. लाइक इमेजिन उस टाइम पे माई ब्रेन वाज लाइक इमेजिन अर्निंग जस्ट बाय पोस्टिंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया. लाइक दैट्स क्रेजी. लाइक बिकॉज when I was in 9th and 10th class, I used to love decorating my Instagram feed. Like I was so freaking aesthetic when I was in 10th class. Like of course I was cringe as well, but I was like very aesthetic. And my relatives, they used to come to my mom and complain कि अपनी बेटी को देख क्या क्या चीज़ें डालती है Instagram पे. And mind you, I was just putting normal photos and videos, but they were just complaining that she's in 10th class और वो अभी से इतनी active है Instagram पे, तो just take care of her. So my mom, she never allowed me to use Instagram, and that was that. And I just used to think like when I came here, I was like कि wow, imagine like just posting on social media and earning money. That's like crazy. That could be a dream job. And I was like, yeah. So I started content creation like very ekdam firmly in October 2025, which is like a few months back. And now why I started content creation was because मेरे दिमाग में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर था. और प्रेशर किस चीज़ का था, let me tell you that too. So when I was in my first year, currently I'm in third year, so that is when I started earning money. So उससे पहले also I had earned money because जब मैं 10th क्लास में थी, I used to give tuitions to 7th और 8th क्लास के बच्चे. So that is where I started earning when I was in 10th class. That is where I started earning. Then uske baad I stopped, and then I gave my 12th ka exams and everything. Then I came to Delhi. Then first year, I just used to like go to this one cafe which was here in Delhi, and it was sort of like a library cafe. And I just used to go there, I used to study, and I used to just sit and chill. And then I saw the girl who was sitting on the reception, the counter. She was like my age. So there was this manager walking by, and I was like, "Hi, excuse me, I just wanted to ask, like, are you all like open to like give internships? Like, if I want to work here, can I?" He was like, "Yeah, of course, if you're creative enough." I was like, "Yeah, I am." So I was like, "What all posts do you have jo khali hai?" So he's like, "I'm looking for a social media manager." I was like, "I can do it. I can do it." So he was like, "Okay, let's do one thing. Come 2 days baad, and we can have an interview, and I can see what all you can do. You can show me everything that you've done till now, and let me see if I can hire you or not." I was like, "Yeah, perfect, done." सो आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज उससे पहले मैंने इस फील्ड में कोई काम नहीं करा था. बट वन थिंग दैट आई हैड वॉज माई आई पैड. सो आई हैड माई आई पैड, एंड I had to like get an Apple pencil, and it was not like an Apple pencil. It was like a 799 ka pencil. So I got it, and like I used to just take pictures, and I used to draw on the pictures like very creatively. So I showed like the manager all of those things. तो मैंने उस कैफे में एक पिज़्ज़ा की फ़ोटो ली थी, and उसको मैंने ऐसे डूडल करा था and everything. And I told him that I can do all of this. I'm like really creative with my work, and I'll be very punctual. I'll be on time, and I will like I know how to manage time as well. So I remember it was my manager, and it was like there was some Bollywood actor as well. Like, so she was my manager's friend. Okay. So they were sitting there, both of them, they were. And that girl was like, this girl is amazing, you should give her the job. And the manager was like, yeah, I think she deserves it. And then he gave me the job. He asked me how much do I expect. I said 6K. So मैंने अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारी एंड आई सेड 6K एंड उसने मुझे 6,000 पर मंथ की जॉब पे रख लिया. बट लेटर ऑन ही टोल्ड मी दैट अगर इफ यू वुड हैव आस्क्ड फॉर 10K ऑल्सो आई वुड हैव गिवन, बट देन इट वॉज योर चॉइस. आई वाज लाइक ओके, that's my bad, but at least I got to learn something from it. So yeah, I would, with this incident, I would tell you that please keep on looking out for opportunities, because when you are sitting here, when you are in Delhi or anywhere, when you are in your college and you are just studying, so even when you are sitting, there are so many opportunities right here. You just need to know when to grab one and take it and make it work in your favor. So yeah, that's that. And after that also, I got this one more internship which I failed really badly, because I like had to like manage the social media, which was not based in India, it was based in Singapore. So I got this gig from a friend, and I failed badly, but like they were paying me like really well. They were paying me in dollars, but I don't know kitna it was, but I think INR में convert होके it was something around 29,000. So उस time पे it was like really good for me, but it only worked for 1 month, because मैं नहीं कर पाई वो चीज़, because I had to give like a lot of work. I had to like bring in the customers. I had to reply to comments. I had to like DM, and I had to like post. So I couldn't do all of that, because the social media internship for the cafe, वहाँ पे मुझे इतना सब नहीं करना पड़ता. It was just managing the cafe and posting on social media. And then the reason why I lost that job was because वो cafe shut down हो गया. So that was the reason. And उसके बाद I got this another job which I failed very badly. And right after that, what happened was I started posting on social media. Like how I started posting, I will tell you, I was not regular. This one time, it was my college fest. I went to college and I just recorded my makeup mere college fest mein last year, and I just posted that like a reel with a music, and it went viral. It has like 800K views right now. So that was the first reel that went viral, like crazy viral. Usse pehle, the social media managing gig that I was doing in the cafe, that reel also went viral, but it was only around like 200K or something. So that's why my manager was like really happy. He was like, you know what you're doing. I was like, yeah, I know what I was I am doing, but I did not know what I was doing. But so the college fest reel went viral, and I started getting like a lot of collabs. Like when your reel goes viral, if you all know that, तो तुम्हारी reel बहुत लोग देखते हैं, बहुत brands देखते हैं. So they think कि ठीक है, इसमें पोटेंशियल है, सो वी कैन अप्रोच हर. सो सिंस आई वॉज ओनली एट लाइक 1,800 or 2,000 followers, so I got like barter collabs, and I said yes to all of the barter collabs, because I did not know. Because when you start content creation, you don't know, nobody is there to teach you कि तुम्हें एक्सप्लॉइट कब हो रहा है, तुम्हें लोग एक्सप्लॉइट कब कर रहे हैं, तुम्हें लोग यूज़ कब कर रहे हैं, तुम्हारा बेनिफिट किस में है, तुम्हारा कम बेनिफिट किस में है. सो आई यूज टू से लाइक येस टू ऑल ऑफ द ब्रांड कोलैब्स. नाउ देयर वॉज दिस वन पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड that reached me for collab. Let me tell you, it was Lucian bags. Okay, so they reached out for a collab, for a barter collab. I said yes, and I really liked the bags. They sent me like two bags. One was a tote bag and the other was like a shoulder bag, and I got them, and they asked me to make a reel about it, which I did. So they liked it, and uske baad they said they want one more reel, which should be a bit detailed and about talking about the bags and everything. सो उसमें आई मेस्ड अप अ बिट, बिकॉज वो रील बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी बन गई थी. इट वॉज लाइक 59 seconds और समथिंग, एंड दे वॉन्टेड लाइक अ शॉर्टर रील. सो आई गेव देम दैट एंड दे सेड नो, इट्स नॉट फाइन. एंड आई वॉज लाइक ओके. सो उसके बाद आई वेंट टू लोधी गार्डन एंड आई शॉर्ट पूरा क्लिप्स एंड एवरीथिंग का एडिट सॉर्ट ऑफ, वेयर आई वॉज जस्ट लाइक आई हैड द बैग, एंड हर क्लिप में द बैग वॉज कॉन्स्टेंट. सो आई गेव दम दैट वीडियो एज वेल. दे रिजेक्टेड इट एज वेल. एंड उसके बाद मैंने उनके लिए एक और वीडियो बनाई, उन्होंने उसको भी रिजेक्ट करा. मैंने एक और बनाई, उन्होंने उसको फाइनलाइज़ करके उन्होंने उसको फाइनलाइज तब किया जब मैंने बोला कि वॉट, आई थिंक आई एम रियली डन एट दिस पॉइंट, बिकॉज मैं कितना करूँ तुम्हारे लिए और तुम हर चीज़ रिजेक्ट कर दे रहे हो. इट्स ऑल्सो नॉट अ पेड कोलैब, इट्स जस्ट अ बाटर कोलैब. सो हाउ मच डू यू एक्सपेक्ट मी टू लाइक गिव? इट्स एट दिस पॉइंट आई एम जस्ट एग्जॉस्टेड. सो दे वर लाइक ओके फाइन. And then I see that they're running ads on all of the videos, even the videos that they've rejected. And like was time pe I did not feel that I was being exploited, because I really liked it. I was like, oh my god, it's an ad on my reel. So that's crazy. So And now when I'm sitting here, now when I have like 98K followers on Instagram, now I know that that was not right from their end. So yeah, that is something that happened with me because I did not know like what all is this. So I started content creation, and uske baad I got this one person. He reached out to me. He was like a YouTube page ka owner. So he came to me, he was like, you know what, we're building this page, and I saw your videos and I really like the way you talk to the camera, the way you are in front of the camera. So would you like to like be the face of this channel? I was like, yeah. How much are you willing to pay me? He was like 800 per video. And the gig was something like that स्क्रिप्ट्स मुझे मिलेंगी, मुझे बस कैमरा को ऐसे वर्टिकल अपने सामने रखना है, एंड आई जस्ट हैव टू लाइक कैमरे के सामने वो स्क्रिप्ट बोलनी है, एंड इट वॉज लाइक अ इंग्लिश स्क्रिप्ट, और पर वीडियो का हील पे मी 800. सो वहाँ पे आई फेल्ड मिजरेबली स्टार्टिंग के 2 वीडियोज में, बिकॉज ही वॉज लाइक, यू नो वट, दिस इज नॉट फॉर यू, लेट्स गिव अप. आई वॉज लाइक, you know what, just let me know how can I fix it, I'll try again. So I tried, and then finally I was like, yeah, now you've learned, now we can go ahead with this. So it was something like कि आपको पता है ये होता है, ये होता है, and something like that. So वहाँ पे I was getting paid like really well. Starting में it was 800 for one video, and then he increased it to 1200 for one video. So I was making like 30 videos in 1 month. तो तुम multiply कर लो. I was easily earning around like 70 to 80K per month. तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं, कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अगर मेरा ये काम इतना अच्छा चल रहा है तो मैं अपने सोशल मीडिया पे क्यों फोकस करूँ, मुझे नहीं करना अपने सोशल मीडिया पे फोकस, मुझे इस पे काम करना है. बट दैट इज़ वेयर आई वॉज रियली रॉन्ग, बिकॉज मुझे ना दिमाग में इंट्यूशन ऐसे थॉट्स आते थे कि शगुन, व्हाट इफ समडे ये गिग तुझसे छिन गया, देन हाउ विल यू मैनेज, देन how will you do it? So like there was a gap between when I got this opportunity, this where I was earning like 70 to 80 to 1 lakh a month, this YouTube wala gig, to where I was like not earning anything, like the gig that जो मैंने सिर्फ 1 महीने तक करा, and then they said कि you know we don't think you're a fit for this. So there was a gap in this period. Now in this period I was so damn broke, like I already said, like I couldn't like afford face washes and sunscreens. I had to like, you know, wait for the next month to like save my money and get sunscreen. So uske baad there was this shift where I was getting a lot of money. Like I was making a video and I was getting paid. तो मैं बल्क में 5 वीडियोज़ बनाती थी, वो मुझे 5 स्क्रिप्ट भेजती थी, मैं 5 वीडियोज़ बनाती थी, एंड बूम, द वेरी नेक्स्ट सेकेंड द मनी वॉज इन माई अकाउंट, एंड आई वॉज लाइक, दिस इज़ क्रेजी, दिस इज़ लाइक क्रेजी मनी. तो आई केप्ट ऑन डूइंग दैट. एंड फिर उस ब्रोक वाले एरा से कि मैं सनस्क्रीन अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकती, आई वॉज लाइक, आई एम गेटिंग लाइक 3 सनस्क्रीन्स अ डे, कि यार ये भी अच्छा है, ये भी अच्छा है, ये भी अच्छा है. तो दैट वॉज दैट. बट देर वॉज दिस फियर, कॉन्स्टेंट फियर कि वॉट इफ सम डे दिस इज नॉट देयर एनी मोर, देन हाउ विल यू मैनेज, बिकॉज मेरी लाइफ स्टाइल ऑलरेडी चेंज हो चुकी थी, मैंने उससे यहाँ ढलान मार लिया था. एंड इट वेंट लाइक रियली वेल फॉर अ फ्यू मंथ्स. देन उसके बाद I started having some arguments and everything. And uske baad, there was no contract also. There was no contract for this. So eventually, like, I had to leave. And when I left it, so like, the reason why I left was that they were not paying me anymore. And the reason why they were not paying me anymore was that कि उनके channel की growth नहीं हो रही थी खुद भी. So if they are not earning, so how are they supposed to pay anybody else? So that was like right on their part. So yeah, I was not getting paid, so eventually I had to leave. Now I left in October. I think I left in September or October. And I left in October. So I left in October and I was like, man, oh man, like what am I supposed to do now? Because अब मेरी आदत ख़राब हो चुकी है. अब मुझे उस चीज़ की आदत पड़ चुकी है कि अब मुझे लग्जरी में रहने की आदत पड़ चुकी है. नाउ आई कैन नॉट गो बैक टू द ब्रोक शगुन. नाउ आई कैन नॉट गो बैक टू लाइक नॉट बीइंग एबल टू अफोर्ड अ सनस्क्रीन फॉर अ मंथ. सो आई वाज लाइक, आई हैव टू डू समथिंग. अब मुझे पता था कि कंटेंट क्रिएशन में पैसा है, पर मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि कंटेंट क्रिएशन में इतना पैसा है. लाइक आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग, कंटेंट क्रिएशन इज़ नॉट ईजी. लेट मी टेल यू दैट इट इज़ नॉट ईजी. इट इज़ हार्ड एज hell. It's very hard. But when you like get a hold of it, when you know what you're doing, and when you're like so sure ki yes, this is the thing that I want to do, then it's a piece of cake. But प्लीज़ डू नॉट स्प्रेड दिस नैरेटिव कि यार हम लोग तो पूरे दिन जॉब करते हैं, फिर भी हम इतना पैसा नहीं कमा सकते, और वहाँ पे वो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं, वो एक रील बना के इतना पैसा कमा लेते हैं. दे हैव वर्कड फॉर इट, दे हैव बिल्ड एन ऑडियंस, दे हैव बिल्ड यू नो द ट्रस्ट विद द ब्रांड्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दैट्स अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट. So I started content creation, and उसके बाद मुझे नहीं लगा था कि जितना मैं पहले वाले गिग से कमा रही थी मैं उतना अभी कमा पाऊँगी, बट आई स्टार्टेड एंड देन मैंने रील्स डाली, आई केप्ट ऑन लाइक एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद ट्रायल रील्स एंड एवरीथिंग. So I heard this one line from this girl called Tarini on Instagram. It's at the rate Tarini Lee, and she was at a Google conference or something, and she just came to the video, and she in one of her reels she said that start content creation, because Tanmay Bhatt once said that content creation gives you asymmetrical results. Like you put in X amount and you have no idea who is watching your videos, you have no idea who's on the other side of the screen, and you have no idea what opportunities you can land. So yeah, this was like really true, and this inspired me so much. This was like, okay, yeah, this is something that I have to do. I was back at it. I was like ki theek hai, I will make itna ki I'll be able to sustain. So I started posting, and my videos, because I was posting like motivational content, my videos, they blew up like really well. Because I'm saying that my motivational videos blew up, I don't mean to say that they will blow up for you as well. So the reason why it blew up for me is that because I was really sure that what I want to do with my content, if I ever start content creation, I want to be a comfort creator. I was like very sure of that, because 10th class tak I wanted to have like psychology as a subject. Then I did not get psychology, so I couldn't be a psychologist. So I was like, I really want to heal people. I really want to, be kind to people. I really want to help people with my words. So I started doing that, and it blew up like really well. And then मेरे followers ऐसे rapidly बढ़ने लगे. Like in like a week, I went from 2K followers to 5K followers, then 10K followers, and 20K followers, and then like that. तो वो ग्रोथ बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट हुई, टचवुड. एंड लाइक ब्रांड स्टार्टेड नोटिसिंग मी, एंड ब्रांड स्टार्टेड रीचिंग आउट टू मी. सो जब मेरे 10,000 फॉलोअर्स थे, तो आई यूज टू like ask for about 10K for exchange of one reel. Okay. And when I was at 2,000 followers, I was just doing barter collabs. But I don't mean that you should also do it. Like if it's working for you, like I'm not saying कि तुम्हें barter collabs बिल्कुल नहीं करने चाहिए. Do barter collabs, like build your experience. But if you know that a brand has a lot of money and they're just exploiting you, sort of weird, because they are saying कि हम तुम्हें 5,000 के products दे रहे हैं, this is a barter, तुम हमारे लिए reel करो. So in a way or so, they are somewhere comparing you to a 5,000 ka product. So that is sort of not nice. But if a brand reaches out to you and they're like really sweet, they're like really nice, and they're like a startup, and they cannot actually afford like marketing, and they're like a good brand and you can trust them or something like that, so that is your own goodwill. Be free to do it. But if you know you're being exploited, I would not say go for barter collabs. So now when I was at 5K, I used to charge somewhere around 4 to 5K only. When I was at 3K, I used to charge around 2 to 4K only. So I think this is how you decide how much you should charge, on the basis of your followers, on the basis of your reach, on the basis of how good you can edit, how crisp and nice your edits will look, how eye-catching they will be. I think these are the factors on which you can charge. Now you can always go to ChatGPT, tell him your niche, tell it your niche, and tell it everything that you're doing, everything that you can do, the followers and everything, your engagement rate and everything, and ChatGPT will give you the exact amount you should charge. So I would recommend doing that. And if you hate AI, then I would recommend then that you to like set your own price. Now always when a brand is reaching out to you, अगर तुम्हारा प्राइस, तुम्हारा मान लो तुम 10,000 तुम चार्ज करते हो, ऑलवेज से 14K, बिकॉज द ब्रांड विल नेगोशिएट, लाइक इट विल फॉर श्योर. सो आई डोंट वांट कि तुम घाटे में जाओ. सो या. So now the question about how much am I earning right now? So let me tell you that I am only earning from Instagram deals. YouTube say I am earning, but I am not withdrawing the money. It's on YouTube only. Now I have 98K followers. How much I charge for one reel is anywhere around 80K, 80,000 to 1,20,000 for one reel. This is how much I charge, depending on if it's a UGC or it's a non-collab or it's a collab. This is how much I charge for one. And then ad का अलग से जाता है, अगर उनको ad चलाना है, so it will be around 20K or 30K or something. And अगर वो लोग ये सब चीज़ बंडल में खरीदें तो yes, definitely it will be like lesser. बट दिस इज़ हाउ मच आई चार्ज. तो अगर मैं एक महीने में 5 रील्स भी कर लूँ, सो दैट कम्स अराउंड 5 to 6 lakhs. बट नाउ द थिंग इज़ कि यू डोंट गेट सो मेनी डील्स, राइट? You do not get. Now when I hit 10K, agencies started reaching out to me. And starting I was very skeptical of agencies, ki how do they work and why are they taking my money if I'm doing the work. But then I figured that, you know what, the brands, like if I am a sole content creator and I'm doing everything on my own, it gets like really frustrating, because आई यूज टू लाइक डील विद द ब्रांड्स ऑन माई ओन, मुझे सब खुद करना पड़ता था और मुझसे वो नहीं होता था. एंड टच वुड, द एजेंसी इज लाइक रियली गुड. आई लव वेयर आई एम राइट नाउ. So abhi all of my deals I get from my agency, like most of the deals I get a lot of inbounds, but जो inbounds मुझे आते हैं, even अभी तक I am on 98K followers, अभी तक लोग मुझे अप्रोच करते हैं for barter collabs and I'm like bro. इस महीने I like अभी तक हम लोगों ने 3 डील्स करी हैं, एंड उन तीनों डील्स का अगर मैं तुम्हें बताऊँ तो it is around about, it comes around about 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs it comes around. Now obviously I will not disclose the exact amount because I don't want to, so why will I? So yeah, it comes around like that. Now मैंने बहुत मेहनत करी है to reach this point, like to reach 98K followers. Like if you reach there you can easily charge around इतना. It also depends on the niche. अगर तुम्हारी niche makeup skincare वगैरह वगैरह है, so you will like get a lot of PRs and everything. But अगर तुम्हारी niche motivational और ये, so you won't get like a lot of PR because people won't be able to, the brands won't be able to relate कि how can you integrate the product in your videos, so something like that. Now of course if you're like a very big influencer, अगर कल के दिन मेरे 6 लाख फॉलोअर्स हो गए, 7 लाख फॉलोअर्स हो गए, जो होंगे ऑब्वियसली होंगे, तो ब्रांड मुझसे मेरी क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी नहीं छीनेगा. द प्रॉब्लम दैट आई हैव राइट नाउ, लाइक अभी भी जब ब्रांड्स रीच आउट करते हैं मेरी मैनेजर को और उनको मुझसे वीडियो चाहिए होता है, सो देर आर वेरी फ्यू ब्रांड्स जो क्रिएटिव लिबरेशन फ्रीडम मुझे देते हैं. लाइक अब अगर एक ब्रांड मुझे रीच आउट कर रहा है और वो मुझे बोल रहा है कि तुमको स्ट्रेट फ्रेम में करना है, तुमको क्लीन बैकग्राउंड रखना है, तुमको ये करना है, तुमको ये करना है, तुमको एग्जैक्ट ऐसे बात करना है, सो आई नो वो वीडियो वो रील चलेगी नहीं बिकॉज माई ऑडियंस, they know me, they're my family. I keep on telling you guys like you are my family. So my family is like really well aware of what I do, what I want to do, what I do not want to do. तो अगर मेरी फैमिली को ये लग रहा है कि मैं उनको कोई प्रोडक्ट चिपकाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, why will they watch the video, right? So I really like my creative freedom कि if I like a product then only I will do a video for them and I will integrate in my style कि you know what, I think this is going like this and this is going like this and this has helped me so much, and I only I will only try to sell the products that I believe in. I would never try to sell a product that I myself hate. Like जितने मुझे collabs आते हैं वो products मैं खुद use करती हूँ, like literally. And if I don't, then I will not do a video for them. So this is how much I earn and how I earn. Now how you can earn itna is just be focused on what you want to do. Now don't get too excited listening to कि I am earning इतना ज़्यादा and तुम भी इतना ज़्यादा कमा पाओगे. The reality of being a content creator is that some months are like really good. मान लो तुमने 2 महीने में 5 से 6 लाख रुपए कमा लिए, but then some months there will be like dry seasons कि तुम्हारे पास deals ही नहीं आ रही हैं. So it's very inconsistent. So if you're like willing to do that, so it's really good for you. And then there are other factors as well. So if you want to earn, you can earn via affiliate links. अगर तुम्हारा sole purpose is earning money, so you can do that with affiliate links. Like you have seen those videos जहाँ पे तुम्हें comment for link करना होता है and then you just have to send the link. Yes, and if through that link somebody else like buying that product through your link, then you will get a cut for that. And अगर वो video viral हो गई तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने वो link use करके वो product खरीदा, then you will get a very big cut because सारे cuts जैसे mix होके तुम्हारे पास आएंगे. So yeah, that is also like one source of income. But अगर तुमको एक ब्रांड वैल्यू बनानी है मार्केट में, इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू बी नोन एज अ ब्रांड, इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू बी नोन लाइक कि दिस गर्ल डज दैट, बिकॉज अगर तुम सिर्फ कमेंट फॉर लिंक्स करते जा रहे हो, लोग तुम्हें नहीं याद रखेंगे. पीपल वोंट रिमेंबर यू, पीपल विल फॉलो यू, दे विल गेट द लिंक, दे विल अनफॉलो यू, दे वोंट इवन नो हु यू आर बिकॉज यू आर नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग एनीथिंग दैट्स वैल्यूएबल टू देम. यू आर जस्ट गिविंग देम समथिंग दैट दे कैन बाय, दैट्स इट. that is not value driven. So that is not how you can अगर मैं लोगों को सिर्फ लिंक्स प्रोवाइड करती तो कोई नहीं जानता शगुन कौन है, कोई भी नहीं. मेरे फॉलोअर्स होते बट वो इसलिए होते कि यार एक लड़की है जो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कपड़ों की लिंक दे देती है, बट वी डोंट नो हर नेम. But now people know me because I'm not doing that. Like I don't want to do that. Like full respect to the people who are doing it, but it's just that I am not comfortable doing, and I do not want to do that. And content creation industry is not all fairy tales. It's very kharab also in one way, which is कि content create तुमने कर लिया but उसका पेमेंट आएगा तुम्हें 30 दिन बाद, 60 दिन बाद, 90 दिन बाद. नाउ दिस इज लाइक द क्रेजिएस्ट थिंग कि वाई आर ब्रांड्स पेइंग यू आफ्टर 90 वर्किंग डेज, नॉट इवन 90 days, it's 90 working days of you giving them the content. Like if they want the content, उनको चाहिए इस पर्टिकुलर, लाइक आज उन्होंने मुझसे बात कर ली कि वी नीड दिस रील, हमको लाइव जाना है, तुमको ये करना है. ओके ठीक है, मैं कर लूँगी. पर उनको 2 दिन बाद स्क्रिप्ट चाहिए, 4 दिन बाद उनको लाइव जाना है कंफर्म. अगर 4 दिन बाद मैं लाइव नहीं गई तो कैंसिल, डील कैंसिल. ना मैं गई लाइव, ठीक है, मैंने सब कर लिया, मैंने 2 दिन में स्क्रिप्ट प्रिपेयर करी, मैं 4 दिन बाद लाइव चली गई, एवरीथिंग. अब मैंने बोला कि ठीक है, अब मुझे 4 दिन बाद तुम पेमेंट दे दो, ठीक है, मेरी पेमेंट कर दो, क्योंकि तुमको 4 दिन में चाहिए थी, मुझे भी 4 दिन में मेरी पेमेंट दे दो. बट मैम पेमेंट तो का साइकिल तो 90 वर्किंग डेज है. Like, bro, are you crazy? Like, this is the most bizarre and messed up thing in content creation industry कि तुम्हें 90 दिन बाद तुम्हारी पेमेंट आ रही है, तुम्हें 60 दिन बाद तुम्हारी पेमेंट आ रही है. एंड ब्रांड्स नो एट दिस पॉइंट कि वी डोंट लाइक इट बिकॉज वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इट इनफ ऑन द इंटरनेट. बट स्टिल द ब्रांड्स आर लाइक कि नहीं, हमको तो यही करना है. लाइक वाई, लाइक खत्म करो ना. सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई एम लाइक रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड विद एंड आई हैव नो सोल्यूशन टू इट, बट इट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन बिकॉज I only take such deals where the payment amount is like really good. So like that. Now yeah, तुम Instagram पे कैसे बहुत बड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर बन सकते हो, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट. तो मैं हर वीडियो में ये बोलती हूँ कि बी कंसिस्टेंट बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग दैट एक्चुअली वर्कड फॉर मी. बट देर आर लॉट ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड कॉन्टेंट क्रिएटर्स जो बोलते हैं कि दिस इज शिट. लाइक वाई यू सेइंग जस्ट बी कंसिस्टेंट, बिकॉज अगर तुम सिर्फ कंसिस्टेंट हो तो तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, विच इज़ एक्चुअली ट्रू एज वेल. बिकॉज अगर तुम गलत डायरेक्शन में कंसिस्टेंसी दिखा रहे हो तो तुम तो गलत डायरेक्शन में ही जा रहे हो, तुम्हारी रीच आगे नहीं जा रही, वो पीछे जा रही है. सो दैट्स स्टिल कंसिस्टेंसी, बट इट्स द रॉन्ग वे ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी. So I would say, figure out your niche. Figure out something that you actually want to post. Figure out something that you actually like. अगर तुम मर मरा के अपना content बना रहे हो ना, people will know that. Vibes are real. People will know that. लोगों को पता चल जाएगा कि यार ये तो, इसको तो खुद मज़े नहीं आ रहे, हम इसका content क्यों देखें, हम क्यों देखें इसका content. So actually, figure out something that you really like. I started as a motivational speaker, like motivational content creator. But नाउ आई थिंक कि अगर मैं सिर्फ मोटिवेशन देती रहूँगी ना, दैट इज़ नॉट द रियल मी. लाइक इट इज़ मी. लाइक आई लव गिविंग मोटिवेशन, आई लव गिविंग थेरेपी, आई लव गिविंग फ्री थेरेपी टू पीपल, बट दैट इज़ जस्ट 5 to 10% ऑफ मी. दैट इज स्टिल नॉट द रियल मी, बिकॉज देर आर सो मेनी डेज जहाँ पे मैं खुद बेड पे लेट के रोती हूँ और मैं बोलती हूँ कि यार मेरे पास खुद के लिए कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो द रियल मी, राइट. एंड देर आर डेज वेन आई एम लाइक रियली मटीरियलिस्टिक कि मुझे ये भी चाहिए, मुझे भी चाहिए, मुझे भी चाहिए, मुझे सब कुछ चाहिए. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो द रियल मी. सो दैट डजंट मीन आई एम फेकिंग इट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. I am still being real, but that's just 5 to 10% of the real me. So there is like a lot of things in content creation, and content creation is actually very easy if you really want to pursue it. How many followers do you need to start earning is a question that is, I think you would need around, very realistically, you would need around 3 to 4, I think about 5K followers to start earning. Now you can definitely earn even if you are at 2K. बट वही तो बात है ना कि कंपटीशन बीच में आ जाता है कि अगर ब्रांड तुमको बोला कि हम बार्टर करेंगे तुम्हारे साथ, तुम बोलो कि मैं नहीं करूँगी, तो ब्रांड ऐसा कोई ढूंढ ही लेगा जो बार्टर कर ले. दैट्स द थिंग. बट इफ़ यू नो कि यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग समथिंग दैट इज़ इमेजरेबल, जो कोई और प्रोवाइड ही नहीं कर सकता, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली आस्क फॉर अ लॉट मोर इवन एट 500 followers. So it completely depends. It's a very subjective topic if you like talk about it. So you can start earning even at 500 followers, even at 1000 followers, even at 5000 followers. You just have to know your worth, and you just have to know कि competition है या नहीं, आसपास क्या चल रहा है. सो अगर तुम 4000 फॉलोअर्स पे हो, यू कैन डिमांड अराउंड 3K to 5K. और अगर तुम 4 से 5K फॉलोअर्स तुम्हारे हैं तो तुम महीने के आराम से 20-30 हज़ार कमा सकते हो, वेरी रियलिस्टिकली. नाउ हाउ, इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव एन एजेंसी, अगर तुम्हें इनबाउंड्स नहीं आ रहे, डू आउटबाउंड्स. कोल्ड DMs फॉर द विन. तुम ब्रांड्स को खुद से रीच आउट करो, टेल देम दैट आई वांट टू डू दिस, टेल देम मैं ये कर सकती हूँ. 20 ब्रांड्स निकालो, 20 के 20 को रात को मैसेज करो, दूसरे दिन 2 का तो रिप्लाई आएगा ही आएगा. 40 को कर लो. अगर तुम फ्री हो तो तुम 100 ब्रांड्स निकालो, तुम 100 ब्रांड्स को मैसेजेस कर दो, किसी ना किसी का तो रिप्लाई आएगा ही आएगा. एंड अगर तुम्हें स्टिल रिप्लाईज नहीं आ रहे तो स्टार्ट टेकिंग प्रोडक्ट्स एंड स्टार्ट रिव्यूइंग द प्रोडक्ट्स. अगर तुम्हें मेकअप में जाना है, जस्ट स्टार्ट रिव्यूइंग द प्रोडक्ट्स, स्टार्ट यूजिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स, और कोई ना कोई तो ऐसी रील होगी ही होगी जो वायरल जाएगी. नाउ प्लीज़ एक्सपेरिमेंट विद हुक्स. तुम कंटेंट मत चुराना कभी, बट हुक्स ज़रूर चुराओ. वाई? बिकॉज हुक्स आर प्रूवन. ये प्रूवन हुक है कि ये वायरल जाएगा ही जाएगा. कंटेंट प्लीज़ कीप ओरिजिनल, नेवर कॉपी एनीबडीज कंटेंट. आई एम completely against copying content, but I'm completely in support with copying hooks because that is good. Like, इफ इट्स वर्किंग फॉर यू, इट्स वर्किंग फॉर यू. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू आर गोना डाई. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हम एक ऐसी गैलेक्सी में रह रहे हैं जहाँ बहुत सारे प्लैनेट्स हैं, एंड दूसरे प्लैनेट के लोगों को ये पता भी नहीं है कि ये इस प्लैनेट में हम लोग हैं. सो इवेंचुअली इट्स जस्ट वी आर ऑल लिविंग इन अ जाइंट फुटबॉल. और no, it's not a football. It's sort of an orange because it's flat, ऊपर नीचे से whatsoever. We're living in a giant orange. So, yeah. And it took me around October, November, December. December तक I was earning around 30 to 40K a month with content creation. And now I'm earning like really great. Touch wood again. Please touch wood. So I think, yeah, if I was able to do it, I think you'll also be able to do it. One more thing, कि इस महीने मैंने डील्स तो क्रैक करी हैं, बट मेरे पास अभी तक पैसे नहीं आए इसके उसके. अभी तक मैंने जितने पैसे उड़ाए हैं वो सब मेरी पहली डील्स के पैसे हैं. सो जस्ट लेटिंग यू नो दैट बिकॉज यू गाइज आर लिटरली आस्किंग मी कि तू इतने पैसे कैसे कमा रही है. सो या दे वर माई सेविंग्स सॉर्ट ऑफ. एंड अभी इस महीने जो मैंने डील्स करी हैं उसके पैसे मुझे 30, 60, 90 दिन बाद आएंगे. बट दैट्स फाइन बिकॉज this is something I really want to pursue. And if you want to pursue this, then you guys can hit me up with all the questions in the comment section. And I am a rookie in on YouTube, guys. So if you have like any problem with me at this point, पिछले वीडियोज़ में तो मैंने बोला था कि आई एम रियली सेंसिटिव, प्लीज़ हेट कमेंट्स मत दो, मुझे बुरा लगता है. नाउ आई एम लाइक कि यू वांट टू पुट हेट कमेंट्स, फील फ्री. रिप्लाई नहीं करूँगी, पढ़ूंगी नहीं, क्या कर लोगे. प्लीज़ वेस्ट योर एनर्जी ऑन मी. एंड यस, इंस्टाग्राम एंड यूट्यूब दे हम्बल यू अ लॉट. वो तुम्हें ऐसा बना देते हैं कि you used to give a lot of fucks and now all of a sudden you stop giving a fuck. So I think I have reached that point because अभी लास्ट 2 महीने में 2 weeks में मुझे इतना हेट मिला इंस्टाग्राम पे. And I was replying to all of the comments. I was like, how can you hate me? How can you do that? How can you say that? And now I'm like, bro, you want to do that? Please do that. मेरा तो रीच बढ़ ही रहा है उसमें. So anyway, yeah, I think that was it for today's video. And yeah, that's it. Please drop all of your questions in the comment section. I will try to reply to all of the questions in this comment section. And the next video, I think I'm 99% sure that we will do the CUET questionnaire. So please put all of your CUET questions also in the community section. There's a comment box where there's a chat box where I've asked for the questions about CUET and all the queries of DU colleges and the कि कैसे होता है CUET and everything. So we'll do a video for that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I tried talking about it and I fumbled a lot, but please forgive me, guys. I love you all so much. You have no idea. I'm so grateful to all of you, each one of you. And I think I say that in each of my videos. And I think because I should. And yeah, if you like this video, please drop a like. If you are new here, please subscribe. Please subscribe if you want to. And drop in the comments what you want to see next. And share this video if you think it's shareable. And yeah, I love you all. Bye.